Welcome to the KIE Interface Engine, or KIE, Introduction Training video. This training video will cover the introduction to KIE, minimum system requirements, network infrastructure requirements, and KIE setup. The KIE was developed to provide improved machine productivity and manufacturing quality through meticulous traceability by allowing KIE RPI to interface with a variety of MES systems and allows for production data to be inserted into database records directly. The transmission of data can be event-driven, providing real-time production status, enabling quicker response to production-related problems. Control the product flow by verifying the correct oven recipe for production. The KIE feature allows control of the process through MES communication, comparing the correct product to the corresponding process currently running, and ensures that the product matches the process for every board in the production line. Share with the MES interface, process results for every single product in real time, and will provide a quick overview of the production line status. Communicate with the MES, process state change, machine condition in real time, to enable the control of multiple elements of the production process, inputs, and state. Start, stop, and change over to different reflow processes. Using detailed communication with the MES, the KIE can send the product identifier to the KIE RPI, allowing it to change over to the corresponding reflow process recipe. Communicate with the MES through TCP/IP. Before installing any software, please check the PC requirements in the chart shown here. An SSD or solid-state driver, superior processor, and more RAM is highly recommended for better PC performance. A network infrastructure is required for KIE functionality. The oven PC should be connected to the customer local network. Network infrastructure can vary widely and is based on customer-specific infrastructure. Please consult with your IT department to ensure that you have the necessary components. Before installing the KIE software, make sure you are using a version of the KIE software that is compatible with the RPI software. The minimum compatible version of RPI software is version 3.6.0.8. Locate and run the latest KIE installer version to start the installation. Choose Local Install. Confirm the local RPI directory as shown here and click Next. Select the needed interface integration and click Next. Select the service type according to your application and click Next. Note, the difference between RPI controlled process and Windows service is the RPI controlled process lets RPI start and stop KIE whenever RPI is launched or closed. The Windows service runs whenever your computer is turned on, regardless of whether or not RPI is running or if a user is logged in. Once you have chosen the service type, click Next and complete the installation. The KIE software is required to be run with administrator rights for the various components of the interface to function properly. Right-click on the KIE-host.exe, choose Properties, then Compatibility, and then select Run this program as an administrator. The KIE will launch automatically and run in the background whenever the RPI software is launched. To view the KIE interface screen, click the Windows Start button and select KIE Interface Engine. Select the gear icon in the upper right of the KIE screen to access the Settings section. This is where the customer will enter their unique interface information as needed based on their setup. Once all settings are entered, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Save. The configuration is now complete and your interface is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information on our products or have any questions, please go to our website, kiethermal.com. Thank you, and we appreciate your business.